Today I'm off to LA, flight time around about 11 hours.
I work for Virgin Atlantic and have been for about 20 years now. It's great fun and I really enjoy it.
You get to go all over the world, you get to see so many different people, and I actually don't think there's another job in the world like it. Yes, it is hard work, it does take its toll on your body. I am tired quite a lot and jet lagged, and quite often my body doesn't know which time zone it's in.
Jet lag, the time zones, it's really hard to just switch off because your job is just go, go, go.
For some time now, I've been using the sleep cast by Headspace. I can't begin to tell you how amazing they've been for me to help me fall asleep.
No matter what's going on in your bedtime mind, you'll find something to soothe it.
It was just something I downloaded because I thought I'd need to start concentrating on myself, looking after my mind.
You're kind of just focusing on the story that's being told and listening to the sounds. Everything else seems to melt away and take a back seat.
We have 3 pilots on each of our aircraft. There's always one in the process of resting.
I'm now on my 3-hour in-flight break. So I'm about to go back to my bunk here so that I can go back to the flight deck, all refreshed, and complete the flight.
Sleep by Headspace. It obviously worked because I don't remember switching off the app. I must have fallen asleep.
On board, we actually have a Headspace channel. Sometimes you can feel quite agitated, quite anxious, and you want to just switch off for a while. Plug in and listen to the Headspace channel. It's really relaxing, and we say in our safety demonstrations to fit your own mask before helping others, because if you're not taking care of yourself, how can you look after anybody else?